my Apple folding phone. They say a craftsman can't fix his own tools, but guys, my phone's hinge is bent. I accidentally got it caught in the car door like this, and the damage is pretty severe. Now we're going to start the repair. I'll show you the repair bill at the very end to see the total cost. Let's remove this damaged screen. It's so broken, it's definitely unusable. The sensor flex cable is also snapped, so we'll have to replace that too. I removed the screws around the vapor chamber, afraid to press hard, fearing secondary damage. The vapor chamber and battery were removed. The vapor chamber was bent and useless. With the battery removed, it's clear the upper flex cable is broken and the motherboard's flex cable connector is deformed. The disassembly flex cable is also damaged. Everything needs replacing. Luckily, the bend avoided the motherboard. That's a blessing in disguise. The clamp was quite precise. Removing the motherboard reveals the Wi-Fi antenna has already snapped off. From the mid-frame, remove the front and rear cameras, earpiece, card slot, speaker, and tail flex cable, then set them aside. We'll discard this damaged mid-frame, it's an eyesore. Now take out the brand new mid-frame and prepare for assembly. Reinstall all components and screw them back in. I refreshed the motherboard, peeled off the protective film, put the motherboard back, and tightened the screws. Reinstall the front facial recognition module, reinstall the rear camera, reinstall the battery in the vapor chamber, then tighten all the screws. Apply a new waterproof adhesive, complete the waterproofing, reinstall the screen, then re-adhere the back covers, waterproof adhesive, reinstall the back cover, repair complete. Let's check the results.